We've covered creating analysis reports and running existing analysis reports on an earlier video training session. In this session we're going to look at changing analysis report that already exists. To do that, find the analysis report you're after. Let's say this one here, contract sales by customer by product detail. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to double click it, find the data and run the report with a parameter. Now this report here is currently filtered to only show one contract, so I'm going to show all my products. And say for example I don't need to know the customer, I could drag the customer up here to the filter area and park that field. Now I've changed my report. Say for example I didn't care about GP, I can drag GP out. Now I have my margin, and say I decided to say just focus just on invoice value, I can drag margin as well. Okay, so that's looking more like what I'm interested in. Say I wanted to analyze the products within whichever category they're in as well. I could go and grab category from up here as it's already available and drop it to show category then product. If there was something I wanted, like say I wanted category level 4 which is not available, I could go and use the show fields list in order to go and select the category level 4 that I'm after. Whichever other field list. This applies to all fields. In this case I'm just using category level 4 as an example. Now I have category level 4, drop it here. So that's really all you need to know about reorganizing and changing analysis reports. You just grab the things you're interested in. Let's get rid of category. Let's even get rid of product and say we're interested in customer. Now take off the things you're not interested in. If you take off everything, you just have a value here. Let's take off everything, right? So it's empty now. So I have a data items, row items, column items. Fill in the data items you care about. Then the row items, I care about customer. There's my breakup by customer. And as you decide to drill into more detail, for example, I want to know the customer and category spent, and then right down to the product. Even if you want to see across which month it happened in, period, now I can break it up in months this way. Just keep on adding and removing columns to the 3 different dimensions, the data area, the row area and the column area, until you get an answer you're happy with. You can filter, so you can use filters to say get rid of show all, I only care about education and stationery right now. Now list is just education and stationery. Once you have your analysis report showing the information you want, you go and save it, and next time I run this report it will remember these settings. Watch the earlier video on creating analysis reports and copying analysis reports for information on how to do that. Before you create an analysis report or copy it, always go and look at your key analysis reports in the help system first, just to make sure there isn't an analysis report already in place that does what you want, or to check if there's an analysis report that's pretty close that you can modify. So if I type in key analysis into the search, I'll get the key analysis reports overview page in help, and this page goes through all the analysis reports that are currently in the system, like the livestock one, and tells you what columns are on it, how to run it, why you would use it, and gives you a sample page showing what it looks like. Now this is really always, for each kind of report, for analysis, for list, and for form, you should always start in the key analysis reports, key form reports, or key list reports, help pages, so that you can review what's already available and don't reinvent the wheel by either building it yourself or paying Readysell to build a report that's already there. Thanks for your time. I hope you find this session helpful.